Boker Tov, we're on Mishlei Perek Chavav Pasuk Daled. Al ta'an ksil ki ivalto. Don't reply to a fool like his foolishness. Pen tishve lo gamata, or else you'll be equal to him. You'll be compared to him. The next pasuk seems like the opposite. Ane ksil ki ivalto. Answer a fool like his foolishness. Pen yeh chacham be'enav, lest he think that he is a chacham in your eyes, and if you don't answer him, he might think he won the discussion. So what's going on over here? The first pasuk says, don't answer a fool. You're going to be compared to him. The second pasuk says, answer a fool, because then he's going to think that he won the conversation. So the Gemara asks this question and answers that this is talking about words of Torah and talking about words in general. So what does this mean? The Gemara explains as follows. If, let's say, a fool says something, and now you answer him back in a foolish response, meaning, oh yeah, well you're this. If you're going to be like a fool, you're going to be the one that's going to look like a fool, even though everyone knows that guy's a fool. You're lowering yourself to him. Better not to answer. But if you're going to answer him in a way that you're going to, it's with Torah, meaning that's the difference here, Torah or general words. But the answer you're going to give him, let's say, is Torah, meaning whatever you're saying, look, the pasuk says like that, or the halacha is like that. Like, what are you talking about? So you could shut down his claim, then you could answer so that people won't think, this guy is wise. He said something and no one answered him. So if you're going to put yourself on his playing field, it's not going to work. It's not going to go your way. You're going to look like a fool. But if you could shut him down through Torah to what his words didn't make any sense, then that's where you answer back the fool. The next pasuk, mekatzer raglaim, with worn out legs, chamas shoteh, drinking of thievery, sholech devarim beyad ksil. This happens if you say words to the fool. If you say words to the fool, what happens is, says the Gaon of Vilna, a fool takes things out of proportion. You said something on level 1 to a fool, he's a fool. He's going to, you did it, what? You said this, how can you? He's going to take things to the next level. And when he takes things to the next level, what's going to happen is, mekatzer raglaim, you're going to worn out legs. You're going to have worn out legs of people that you're going to send to him to calm him down. And it could lead to a point of thievery. It could lead to much greater things than what actually happened. So don't start up the fool. If you realize that this guy could take things to the next level, just stay away. Don't start up with the fool. That's today's lesson. Be smarter than the fool. Don't start up with him. Or else you might be like him. ברוך ה' לעולם, אמן ואמן. רבי חנניה בן עקשיא רצה הקדוש ברוך הוא לזכות את ישראל לפיכך חיבר להם תורה מסר שנאמר, אדוני חפץ למען צדקו, יגדיל תורה ויאדיר.